Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 10 to 16, 2024. So kung kayo ay interested sa private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang. So let's see, Virgo, weekly energies for you, June 10 to 16 for Virgo. Okay. So your overall energy is the King of Wands. Marami kang mga gagawin ngayon related sa creativity mo. So maaring meron kang mga projects na gagawin. Can be projects sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, or personal projects. Okay, yung iba naman sa inyo pwedeng travel opportunities. This is also a leadership role. So pwedeng meron kang gagampanan na leadership role this week. Yung iba pwedeng ma-promote sa work. Okay? Let's see your challenge. 5 of Cups. Okay, ang isa sa challenge ninyo is yung sa tingin nyo mga missed opportunities ninyo, no? Pwedeng meron kayong regrets. Meron kayong pinagsisisihan na sayang, sana hindi ko ginawa or sana ginawa ko. Ganon. Oo, but it's also a time for you to reassess your situation na hindi porket nagkamali ka, it doesn't define you, no? Kumbaga, as long as meron kang awareness dun sa nagawa mong pagkakamali or dun sa na-miss mong opportunities, and iti-take mo yung lessons na yon, no? Yung lessons na natutunan mo para mas maging madali na sa'yo na mag-decide in the future. Kumbaga, yung lessons learned mo sa experiences mo, ay gagamitin mo sa mga future decisions mo sa buhay. Yan. So, let's see. Mamaya ka-clarify natin yan. What is your opportunity? Ano yung opportunity ng mga Virgo? What's the opportunity for Virgo? You have the Ten of Cups. Opportunity to be with your family, to spend more time with them, no? Fortune after difficulty, maaring naging challenging sa inyo yung family life ninyo ng mga nakaraan. But ngayon, I'm also seeing na merong reconciliation, forgiveness, no, pagpapatawad sa mga nagawa na hindi maganda sa isa't isa, especially sa family, kasi at the end of the day, you are family, you are supposed to be supporting each other, okay? So, pwede rin may opportunity kayo ngayon na magbakasyon with your family. Let's see your blessing. What is the blessing ng mga Virgo this week? Wow, the Sun. The Sun is about happiness, clarity, good vibes, confidence. Ayan. So, meron kang good news na parating ngayong week na to. Let's see in what area of life yan. 8th house sa investments mo. Okay? If you are investing into stock market, crypto, business, merong good news. And also, pwede rin tong sa partner mo. No? Halimbawa, yung partner mo may business, meron siyang investments, ganyan, or sa trabaho niya, pwedeng merong good news sa work niya na syempre, pati ikaw damay na rin doon, no? Oo. So, let us clarify the cards. Ano tong King of Wands na to? What is the King of Wands? What is the King of Wands? The Two of Wands. Uy, so maaring meron kang decision making on which path to take. But I think this week mapapag-desisyonan mo na yun eh. No? You will go after your passion, whatever you are passionate about. Okay, some of you merong opportunity rin for abroad, travel abroad, or work abroad, or pwedeng ano rin, no, yung trading sa ibang bansa na hindi mo naman kailangang tumira or magtrabaho sa ibang bansa to have a business or transaction sa kanila, no? So, pwedeng ano yan, you offer services sa ibang bansa or nagbebenta ka ng mga products sa ibang bansa. Let's see, what is the Five of Cups? Ano tong challenge? Page of Pentacles. Okay. So, maari kang, maari kasing meron kang mga sinubukan or ginawa na proyekto or desisyon na hindi mo talaga siya pinag-aralan or pinag-isipan. Tapos, na-realize mo na sana pala, ni-research ko pa, sana pala ginalingan ko ng pag-aaral para, yung opportunity, nakuha mo. Minsan kasi nagiging kampante tayo na akala natin, ah, we are all equipped, no, na kayang-kaya natin. But there are times na we really need to check ourselves na, teka, am I ready for this? No, ganon. Pwede kasi meron kang pinasok na sitwasyon na hindi mo pinag-isipan, hindi mo pinag-aralan, na excite ka lang. So, yung iba, hindi naging maganda yung resulta nun. So, ayan yung lessons learned mo. What is the Ten of Cups? The Tower. Uy. So, as an opportunity, pwedeng meron kang i-release na something old na hindi na nag-work for the happiness of your family, no? Yung iba, pwedeng lilipat ng bahay, alis ng trabaho, or meron kang, it's like destroying something na alam mong wala nang use for you, no? It can also mean yung mindset mo na kung dati, meron kang specific mindset na yun yung fina-follow mo kasi akala mo makakabuti for your family, pero hindi pala. So, you're letting that go. What is the Sun as your blessing? You have the Five of Pentacles. Oh, this is overcoming financial struggle. Okay? So, kumbaga, kung naging challenging sa'yo yung finances mo ng mga nakaraan, this week, meron na siyang positibong resulta. Makakita ka na ng solusyon dyan sa mga challenges mo. Okay? So, let's see the energies for your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances ng mga Virgo. You have the King of Swords, the Three of Cups. So, there is a celebration. Some of you, meron talaga kayong i-assume na leadership role. Pwedeng nakakabigla ito, no? Bigla ang pagbabago for your money, career, finances. Maari ring meron kang malalaman or matutuklasan about your colleagues na hindi magandang sinasabi towards you. Pwedeng may doble cara dyan. Merong nagsispread ng gossip. So, you may be cutting connections with this person. You have the Queen of Cups, the Two of Pentacles. I see another opportunity for you sa work. I feel like ito yung hinihintay mo, no? At hindi mo to palalagpasin. Kahit na meron ka ng existing opportunity or trabaho, career, or business, itong hinihintay mo na to, isasabay mo yan, no? Para hindi na mawala sa'yo. Kasi yung iba, pwedeng na-miss out yung opportunity na yan before. And now, darating ulit, or merong mas maganda na darating na hindi mo na pakakawalan. Sa love life, you have the Nine of Swords. Meron ditong stress na sa relationship. And you just want to free yourself from this situation. Parang feeling mo, it's time to let go of this connection. You may be dealing with a Libra or Aquarius. Naliwanagan ka na dito Oo, kasi may confusion, Seven of Cups, Six of Cups. Pwedeng matagal mo ng relationship to na nagtitiis ka, especially kung meron kayong anak, 'di ba? Usually yan yung nagiging reason kung bakit nagsistay ang isang tao sa relationship, because of the children. But I feel like yung iba rito parang sukdulan na, no? Parang isip niya tama na, sobra na, palitan na. So you want to free yourself from a very stressful or toxic situation with someone na parang hindi mo alam kung saan papunta yung relationship niyo. Okay? So you are going to be more creative, focusing on what else you can do. Iba sa inyo, ang lakas ng manifestation powers ninyo ngayon. So talagang kung nandun yung focus, attention ninyo, and you are working towards that, you will be able to make things happen. Oh my God, you are so blessed. This is a blessing for you, Virgo. So this week is going to be a very blessed week for you. I-claim mo na yan, diba? Claim mo na yung blessings na yan. Let's see in what area of life tong blessings na to mostly. Fourth house sa family. So maaring meron kang ma-achieve sa bahay ninyo na pwede makakabili ka ng bahay, properties, real estate, or merong mga blessings coming in galing sa iyong family members. You will receive a gift o meron daw regalo na parating. Baka yan yung isa sa blessing. Itong great personal sorrow, I think this is part of the stress or toxic situation that you have with your relationship, no? Kaya mahirap man, kaya lang ito yun na yung gigising sa'yo na kailangan ng may magbago. Waiting for news, package, or letter. So, maaring meron ka marireceive na gift, no, na naka-package. Ayan, or magandang balita na masasabi mo na parang regalo na rin sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye!